Hello building fans, it's Pablo here from Building with Pablo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a Lego set that I got recently on my first visit to IKEA. And the reason why I got this Lego set is because of the pieces that it has included, which I can use for my own creations. And the Lego set that I got is titled BYGGLEK, which is for ages 5 and up. It's set number 40357. It has 201 pieces included in the set, and it's a building toy, as you can already tell from the front of the box. At the top of the box, it has the two logos of Lego and IKEA, because the two companies united themselves to create this new product, which launched recently in 2020. On the back of the box, it shows the different pieces that are included in the set, as well as the different combinations of things that can be built with these pieces, and the actual size of a piece for scale. Now I'm going to be showing you an unboxing, a speed build, and a review of this set, so enjoy the rest of this video. Here I'm finishing building the first minifigure with a vehicle. Here is a bed with a customer who appears to be observing it. Here is the first animal, which appears to be an orange duck. This is a blue flower stem. This is a palm tree which is on top of some rocks in the middle of the water. Here is a stove with a cook. Here is an outdoor dining table with an umbrella. This is a passenger jet. Here is a top post which can represent many things. This is a green tree with some terrain. This is a sink which can be used for a kitchen or a bathroom. These are two dogs, a dachshund and a bulldog. This is all that can be built with the pieces that are included in this set and much more, because not all of the pieces were used. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave your comments, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, keep building.